Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a performance and repair report for Chris in Michigan on his Magnum S9. Chris's unit come in, it was swinging from no watts to a half a watt. And upon examination, it had a couple blown MOSFETs. That one right there, and this one right here. Now if you look closely, this one, see a little bit of extra right there to the side? That's actually from this vinyl. It blew apart and shoved it right into the other one. That's a head-on collision, Chris. Anyways, we went through it, put the new caps in, new protective diodes, full alignment. The alignment was a mess on it, and this thing is up to where it should be now. I'll start with the RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug, a little under half a watt. About 5 watts all the way up. 100-watt slug. I'm going to show you average mode. Hello audio. 23 watts of average power. Peak mode. Low audio. About 66, 67 watts of peak power. Chris ready to come back to the Wolverine State, Michigan. Thank you, sir, for sending me once again another radio to work over for you. From truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.